Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making apple pie. Let's get started. As you can see, last night I peeled, cored, and sliced the apples, and I put some lemon juice water on it. The first thing you're going to do is put some flour underneath. Then I'm going to put some flour on my rolling pin. And then I'm going to roll it out so it fits into my crust. I should say not crust, but my pie plate. And you're going to try to keep it a circle. Make sure you go in other directions to stretch it. Then at the end you can brush off the flour. Now we're going to transfer it to the pan. When we do that, we can brush off some of the flour on that side too. Now you're going to put it in your pie shell and make sure it's all the way up against the edges. And then we'll start trimming it. With a knife. You just trim it around with a knife. We'll do with fluted edges too, like I normally draw my pies. But you just want to get it even with the edge. Just keep trimming it until you go all the way around the corner. There you go. You get a little bit neater. Now we'll get the filling ready. This is sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, mix it up really good. You want all the spices mixed in together. You don't want cinnamon in one spot and not in another. Same with the nutmeg. You don't want it in all in one spot. Just keep mixing it until it's done. I'm going to put some apples in the bottom. I sprinkle the sugar in layers. So you're going to layer the apples. Get a nice layer, even layer down there. And then I'm going to take some sugar and sprinkle it. That way it's more evenly with the apples. Do some more apples and do the same thing. Some people put it on top of the pie, but I like mixing it in. That way it has an even flavor. And yes, we want this pie to be heaping because when it bakes down, it's going to shrink. I'll put some more sugar on it. And I have to fix the top crust too. We can do some more to make sure we have it. Let me put the rest of the apples on there. I'll be back after this is done. I'm using the rest of the cinnamon sugar on top, like you normally would. Now I'm going to do a few sprinkles of lemon juice. A little sprinkle of lemon juice. Just a little bit. We're going to dot it with butter. Now, some butter on top of it. Then we'll do the top crust. And we're going to do a baking sheet underneath, so if it leaks out, it's not going to get all over the oven. Now we're going to fold it out like we did the top crust, keeping it in a circle. Go this way, and that way, until it's big enough. Then you transfer it on top of the pie. Now you're going to take the excess and tuck it under. You're going to cut it a little bit, but you're going to tuck it under too. You want to make sure you get some underneath so you can fold it over. I'll show you what I mean. You take that and you put it underneath. And then you do like that, all the way around the pie. You just take it and fold it underneath, like that. You just keep going, fold one underneath the other one. Now that that's done, we're going to do our fluted edges. Just do it like that. Do it like that. See how it's fluting? That's what you want. Making steam vents. You can make them as fancy as you want. I'm just doing a little bitty thing like this. I'm doing it freehand. And then I'll remove it after I'm done cutting it. Don't worry, I'm going to be removing it. Just doing freehand. You also can use a cookie cutter. Now we get these out. I'll be back when I'm done with this. Got the steam vent created. Now I'm going to brush it with egg white that I mixed with water. The reason why you do this, it gives a nice brown color to it. Make sure you get all those. Be back when that's done. You bake it at 400 degrees 40 minutes. I put a pan underneath it to catch the juices just in case it leaks. This is what it looks like when it came out of the oven. Now I'll plate it up for you. That way you can see what it looks like as a slice. This pie is perfect for all the holidays, especially 4th of July. This is what it looks like plated up. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.